Hello, today at Wild Rose Farm we're going to be making pizza, and I'm going to be making 4 because me and my brothers love pizza. And I'm using 250 grams of strong white flour. And now I'm going to put the yeast in and salt. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of yeast. So, I'm using 150 milliliters of my warm water, and it can't be too hot or it can't be too cold. Now, I've put in the salt and yeast, so I'm going to pour this in. I am using 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil because I've run out of olive oil. And now I'm going to get this and start making the dough. And it's important to make the right amount. I am going to now squish it up into a ball, and then I'm going to let it rise for an hour and make the other 3 pieces. Don't forget to put a piece of cling film on the top to keep the warmth in. So, I'm rubbing the oil in now around my bowl. I've got my cling film. Now, your dough should look like this. A nice bally kind of shape. This should keep the heat in. Now, let it rise over here. Now, I'm going to get working on my next pizza. And now I'm going to leave them to rise for an hour and a half. I've just turned this out the bowl, And I'm going to spread it around so it fits it. I've already done these two other pizzas and it needs to spread out really well. And the tomato mixture there, that is mixed with tomato puree and tomato chunks, chopped up tomato. To spread the pizza out to get it to the edge, you just need to push it down like I've done here. Now I'm going to put the tomato puree mixed with chopped tomato on all three pizzas. And when you're spreading the tomato on all the pizzas you're making, you need to stop about on all the way round about there so you can leave a crust. I've put loads of tomatoes on them, on my pizzas, and they're going to be really tasty. And now I'm using some cheddar cheese sprinkled over the pizzas. Right, our cheese is on our lovely pizzas, and now I'm going to put the veg on. And I'm going to put onions on the veg one now. We need eggs for my pizza, and it looks like the chickens have been busy today. This is a lovely warm egg. That one was as well. And this is Oh, this one's a lovely warm one. Now, we're only going to use 4 of these, but it's good to have 5. Our birds are all free range. That is why it makes a difference to the taste of the egg. And these geese aren't going to lay yet because they're too young, and it's definitely the wrong time of season. So, here we have an orange chicken that we bred up, and she's from White Sussex with buff. This is a lovely orange chicken's egg. This egg here is from an Ashalorp. And the Ashalorps are heavy breeds. Now, this egg here is from a rocky road. And we have loads of rocky road. This is from a Devon Blue. And this one is from an Indian runner duck, which is the duck over there. Nice tall one. I've got eggs for the cheese pizzas, and I just got these from our chickens, and I'm putting 2 on each one, and you can use whichever topping you like. First, and with our garlic, I'm going to put it on the vegetable and cheeses. Just 1 small handful of each pizza. And the vegetable pizzas taste really nice. Same with the cheeses. Now, this is a lovely type of courgette. It's yellow courgette. Now I'm going to sprinkle this on the vegetable one. It's yellow courgette instead of green courgette. just taken these final bits off. I'm going to use some lovely sweet red peppers. There we go. So, I've put some olives on for an extra topping, and the vegetable pizza will probably take 20 minutes to cook because it has all those extra vegetables on it. And the cheeses will probably take about 15 minutes. I'm putting some eggs on the cheese pieces, so it makes it a bit more interesting because the vegetable pizzas have all those vegetables on. Now, I'm going to crack it in here. I'm putting 2 on each pizza, so. Now, one of the eggs is cracked. That's why it's like that. But that doesn't matter because it still tastes good. These now need to go into the oven for 15-20 minutes at 180 degrees. I've just got my pizza out of the oven and they look really nice.
These pizzas are really tasty. That is so delicious.
Yeah.
I mean, compared to a shop-bought pizza, that's heaven.
Yeah. If you like the video, please click subscribe.